Hello, Witchfolk. I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline.
We're Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we're here to talk about all things makeup and sometimes magic. Today is a really fun day because we're going to be trying makeup that is new to us. So it's sort of a bit of first impressions and just having fun creating these beautiful looks. We're starting with the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette. Lots of cool tones, neutrals, just a really great thing to have in your makeup arsenal. We're also going to use...
We're going to elevate our look with the Clionadh stained glass Multichromes.
These are gorgeous.
They look like this. Oh my God. I had... So they come in individual packages in these. So you have to get yourself a magnetic palette, which I did, which is hideous. So yeah, Clionadh's an independent brand from Canada, and currently, as we're filming, their online shop is closed, but if you follow them on social media, we're going to link their Instagram down below. They're going to be opening their shop up again soon, and they're going to have a whole lot of new releases and exciting things. So yeah, so I encourage you to check them out.
Yeah, watch out for that.
And then for our lips, we got Lisa Eldridge. She's from the UK. She released a line last year that sold out, and it's, I guess, very limited, but we got 3. So we're going to use 2 of them. 2 of the 3.
Yeah, so if you want to hear more about these products, see our impressions of them, keep on watching. All right. Do you hear the pouring rain? It is like a tornado outside. Like it looks like Wizard of Oz right now.
So we're gonna yell at the camera.
We're gonna yell. All right, so I'm doing a look inspired by Linda Hallberg. I'll show you a pic of it right here. So I'm gonna start off with a bit of a mix of like neutral and cool tones for the base. So yeah, here I go.
Me too. I don't know. I don't have an inspiration. Just gonna go in with I think this one here.
All right.
Oh, I like this.
Already?
Yeah, I like. This is a really good palette. This is a good buy.
Yeah. I don't really have many cool tone palettes. Actually, I don't have any. What am I saying? I think it's a good thing to have in your arsenal. Even if you don't like cool tones, like I generally do avoid them. But I think it's handy.
So I think this is better than the new Natasha Denona neutral one, because there's more colors and like a lot more mattes. So I think I like these neutrals when you're doing a base. There's water dripping.
I thought there was water dripping on you. You can like hear it slamming on the roof and then going through the pipes. It's actually a soothing sound, but
if I was sleeping and I heard this, I would be like out of my mind.
In a good way?
No.
A bad way.
I would think that the house was falling down.
Oh, yeah.
I always dream, even though my bedroom doesn't have a roof over it, it has a 3rd floor, I always dream that water's pouring through and...
That is definitely your fear.
Yes.
I could see your fear.
Water is my fear. Water ruins everything, as her dad once said.
Okay, I'm just fleshing this out a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go quite a bit darker lower, but
I'm not gonna do my lower lid yet.
No, not my lower lash line, just like the lid itself. I want to create a bit of a darker, even black base for the multichrome.
Me too. I'm doing the same thing.
I feel like you have lots to say about the whole new release thing. Them having too many releases.
Okay, there's a thing about influencers on YouTube who are always going, ColourPop, you release too many ColourPops. Who cares? Why do you care? Like, do you think that you're supposed to be buying them?
Right.
No, it's a choice.
It's for the common people.
Yes, I think it's fantastic.
Yeah. Something new to
It's like when I was a youngster and I my friend and I would go to the drugstore, we would have given anything if like Revlon released something new every day.
Yeah.
Like it was like once every season you'd get something.
Yeah.
And
The drugstore is a pretty sometimes dismal place, especially in Canada, to makeup shop. There's like nothing new. It's like stuff that's been there for like time.
yeah, but this was in my day. I'm talking.
I know.
I'm talking the 80s.
So maybe it must have been worse. People were they as makeup obsessed as makeup obsessed?
No,
as
because
they are
we
now?
didn't have YouTube. How do we have YouTube? Well,
Oh, right. This is really pretty
let me see how
browny gray.
Yeah.
Yeah, just basing it
I'm
out.
basically ready to go for the chrome.
Oh, beige, wait. I'm going to put some black on the outsides. This is pretty just on its own.
Yes.
Yeah. I feel like this palette, I used it once before with the lighter colors, but it really shines when you use like the darker, richer mattes. Are you gonna use your finger or what?
No. First, I'm going to use one of these flattened brushes.
Okay.
And I'm kind of tempted to just use a little bit of glitter glue. Like on one side and then,
Okay.
you know that trick?
Oh yes, you put a bit of glitter glue on one side and then pick up the product on the other. NYX glitter glue.
Am I doing two different eyes?
Colors?
Yeah. I've never done that. Okay, I'm going to do it. What's your plan?
Definitely 2 tones across the top eyelid. Maybe a 3rd tone under, but I may hold off on that part.
Ooh, this is good.
Yeah, just gently packing it on rather than like swiping it.
Yeah, no swipey.
Glitter glue was a good idea.
I think I might add my finger. Ooh, do you see that?
Oh my god, your look's already done.
Oh my god, so's yours.
Yours looks like a peacock.
Ah,
That's the most beautiful color I've
that's
ever seen.
amazing.
Can you people see? Oh my god.
This is crazy. What a world we live in.
These are, I'm getting these for myself. I've just barely started and I'm ready.
Why am I so obsessed with multichromes?
Who isn't? They're like, they remind me of when I've seen like oil puddles on the ground. That sounds weird, but you know how beautiful they are? All those different
No.
peacocky rainbow colors shining in different lights.
Multichromes and Pomeranians.
What?
I'm obsessed with multichromes and Pomeranians. I think multichromes are like the Pomeranians of the makeup world.
Oh my gosh. They're
You know what I
the
mean?
showstoppers.
They're the showstopper. Like if you were driving along and you saw a Pomeranian prancing down the street, you don't just drive by, you stop.
Well, you should see this woman when we're driving around. You know when you see a man check out a woman and she's like, this is her with dogs. She slows down the car and goes, oh my God! Okay, so maybe not so much like a man checking out a woman, but like she's doing those double backs. Like I'm pretty sure half the time if it's a Pomeranian, you'll stop
Oh
and
my God, yes.
shout out the window.
It's a Instagram moment.
I mean, I started the Pomeranian love, but now I'm all into my Chihuahuas.
ColourPop is the Chihuahuas of the makeup world. They're cute. They're cheap on Kijiji.
Oh my gosh.
You know what I mean?
Yes. The Chihuahua. Well, there you go. I'm a Chihuahua girl. I'm a ColourPop girl. Okay. I'm going into the next color. The glitter glue is a very good idea.
Okay. I'm going to go into the next color too on the other eye. I'm doing two different eyes. You know, all in all, these are easy to do. These are easy to work with.
They are. I feel like I can only see 2 of the colors, but you can see more maybe.
Well, when you're on yourself, you can only see maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah.
But like if you're out in the world, walking down the street, other people can see everything. Like these are meant for the day, I think. These are your daytime looks.
I can only see purple, green and purple. How about you? On me.
On you? I can see, like, it's all kinds of colors. I can see gold.
I can't see it on myself.
Yeah, similar with me. Can you see anything?
Yeah. Like purple, green, blue. Move your head. Maroon. Yeah, I can see all the colors.
Wow.
Now, yeah, I'm gonna just go a bit over with my
So I'm gonna,
finger.
what I'm gonna do is do a little blending, I think.
With the Stone Cold Fox.
A little bit, yeah, I think, right?
Do you have a plan for the lower lash line?
No, I think I'm gonna use another color. You?
Why not?
Yeah, so then this way we'll use all 6 colors.
Oh, yes, true.
This would be a cool New Year's Eve, rockin' New Year's Eve look.
Yeah, definitely. I'm definitely gonna do this on New Year's Eve, even though I'll be sitting at home.
Yay.
Yay. Actually, I'm really happy about that.
Me too.
I hate New Year's plans. They stress me out. They make me feel like I have to be at the perfect place. Otherwise, the next year is going to be a failure. There's a weird pressure around it. You're over it, aren't you?
Oh my God, I've been over it since I was like 12. I'm scared.
To do the lower?
Yeah, what if it's ruined? I'm not gonna bother with the glitter glue.
No?
No.
I'm going to. I like it. It creates a tackiness. Tackiness. I'm going to say this look is going to call for some black in the waterline.
Ugh, I made a mess.
I made a mess.
Knowing what I know now, I would use the glitter glue.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. But I can see it now. So, those are my earrings. Boop, boop.
All right. Do you feel ready to put mascara
Yes,
on? And then
I
we're
do.
going to move on to the Lisa Eldridge.
Okay.
Okay, so we did our lashes. I put some falsies on, a little bit of darkness in the waterline.
I just put in some blue. I did not put falsies on.
No.
So,
The Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. Going in with a ColourPop lip liner first.
I got a Patrick Ta one. She's proud.
She's proud. So I want to try a little bit of this technique Lisa Eldridge has talked about. So have you guys ever put on like a darker lip color and it like almost like draws your lips down in a frown instead of sort of looking, well, kind of like Lisa Eldridge's lips? Basically what I've learned is like a problem people do is they overline up here and they go too far into their sort of crease at the sides of their mouth, because you don't really want to go into there because it will drag your mouth down. And then also going too far out, this is something I'm guilty of, on the outer lip, like out here on the sides. So it's like you do want to focus on the middle, and then when you get into your inner corners, you taper it off. It's the best way I can sort of describe that.
what about the Cupid's bow?
Well, she didn't talk about that. I like to skip over mine and round it out. She seems to shape hers out, but I don't think that affects. Here, I'll try and show you. So going in, I could have gone a bit more out, but I kind of swoop it down a little bit.
Oh, okay, I see. Alrighty. I'm not gonna stress over that one.
All right, you can go ahead.
Okay. I don't know. Okay, so mine is Velvet Beauty. There we go. So velvety.
Yeah, what's really cool about these is like the texture on the sides looks like actual velvet. And this is Velvet Blush.
It reminds me of Darby's skin. The Vishla.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Her skin, not her fur?
Her fur is her skin. So if you've ever pet a Vishla, and if you don't know what a Vishla is, this is it. I have a Vishla in my pack, and she's so soft.
All right. What do we think?
I think I like it.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's, yas. It's yas.
It's a yas.
I'm gonna take my hair down.
It's worth the money in the way that, I don't know. What is worth money? What is money?
What,
You know?
Lisa Eldridge?
Yeah, like I like to save money like the next person. And I'm sure you could, I'm not so sure you could dupe these, but you could go, you know, what is lipstick? Who cares? It's on you. But this is also an experience, I think.
Yeah, I mean, they feel
They
like
feel
luxury.
amazing.
But the Clionadh, what is their price point like?
These are expensive.
Oh, they are.
These are pricey. Like this is like $140.
Oh. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so I'm really wearing luxury on my face today.
What do we think? Let's start with the Stone Cold Fox palette.
Well, I think it's just something that's really affordable and really great to have in your collection. So, like, I would definitely recommend this. We're going to hold it up one last time.
I agree. I think this is a winner chicken dinner.
I really like the darker tones. More so than the shimmers in a way. Like, the mattes are really rich and really easy to work with. So, yeah.
Yeah, I prefer this over the Natasha Denona one that came out recently.
Very different in price, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good to have in your collection and it's affordable and you can use it as a base like we did. The Clionadh.
The star of the show, the
God.
Pomeranian. Yeah, what do you think of that?
Well, they're just beautiful. These are the most beautiful multi-chromes I've ever used. I haven't used too many, but this is exactly what I've ever wanted from one. When I've seen pics on Instagram, they're just the most beautiful colors. They're so easy to use.
And yeah, so saturated. These in particular are the stained glass. Again, they're the black based ones and they are just so impactful, like far more so than our Natasha Denona again.
Yeah, that was so much more subtle.
Yeah, and these are fantastic. Now, they're not cheap.
Yeah.
But, you know,
Whatever.
what is it?
Let's not talk about it.
We don't talk about money. So, and then what about the Lisa Eldridge?
Okay, personally, I like the design. I like the pattern on the side, but I don't feel the formula is really any different than a matte.
It's a no from you, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I appreciate it for what it is.
I truly appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, like, my quest is the perfect lipstick.
Yes.
I'm not sure I've ever found it, but, like, isn't it fun looking?
Yeah. I mean, I know what you mean. I have been
I just love everything about Lisa Eldridge, just her,
Yeah.
the way she curates her life and her style and her videos. And to me, I think she's a witch.
She probably is.
So for me, it's a yes.
Yeah.
And you don't have to worry about it.
She's a great lady to support for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our trying new products.
What do you guys think?
Have you tried any of these? Let us know in the comments down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're even going to buy some of these, what do you think? Any dupes? Dupe. She hates the word dupe.
I hate the word dupe because I think it's just awful to do. Everything should stand on its own. Anyway, so yeah, until the next video, witches.
Bye, witches.